Hey guys, it's Tamia here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So your girl has not been on YouTube in like a whole week, and let me tell y'all, I missed it and I missed y'all. I have been going on my college tour for 2018, and let me tell y'all, my college tour 2018 was freaking lit. Anyways, today's video is just going to be a chit chat, get ready with me, everyday summer makeup routine. Basically, it's my everyday summer makeup routine in the chit chat, get ready with me style. This video is actually a collab with Jenyah here on YouTube. Her video and her channel is going to be linked in that down below, so make sure you go down there and check that out. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this little chit chat, get ready with me summer makeup routine video. I don't do this makeup every single day. It's just, you know, something that I do when I do want to dress up in the summer. The chit chat part of this video, I'm actually going to be answering a few like get to know me kind of questions, because I don't really do kind of get to know me videos here on my channel. If y'all ever want to know who I am, you know, favorite color, favorite food, and all the other type of stuff, then you're going to get to find it out in this video. I have done so much rambling, so I'm going to go ahead and let y'all see this makeup routine. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So first, I'm going to take my Urban Decay primer potion and Eden, and I'm going to prime my eyelids. So I had a few questions from some of y'all. Some people was like texting me on Instagram and stuff asking about my college tour, so I'm going to tell y'all like basically what's the college tour. Last year I went on a college tour, and basically it's where they took us on a bus across like 5 or 6 US states, and we would stay the night, and at each time we stayed a night we would go and view a college. So last year we went through El Paso, New Mexico, Arizona, Nevada, and California. This year we went on the opposite side of the United States, and we went and toured Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. So yeah guys, that's basically a little spiel of how the college tour goes. We just basically tour colleges, we stay in hotels. Anyways, now I'm taking my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. First I'm going to take this color in here called Rustic, whichever color it is. It's kind of like a brownish color. So now from this palette, I'm going to take this color over here called Mulberry. I'm just going to start answering a few get to know me questions. So the first question on this little thing here, what's your full name? My full name is Tamiaraeshun Wilkes. The next question is your zodiac sign. I'm a Libra. My birthday is October 12th. This year your girl gonna be 18. So now it's time for my lid color, and I don't know which one I want. I think I want to use this one right here. It's called Fairy. It's kind of like a light gold color. Anyways, the next question on this little list is 3 fears. One fear is falling like from a top of like a building. I'm like terrified of heights, so probably falling, heights, and my biggest fear, snakes. I can't even look at pictures of snakes because that's how terrified I am of snakes. Next question was 3 things that I love, and 3 things that I love are YouTube, makeup, and track and field. The next question on this little list is my best friend. I got 3 best friends. Their names are Mariah, Destiny, and Victor, and we have been best friends since around 7th, 8th grade, and they actually just was on a college tour with me, and I think I posted a picture of us on my Instagram, and I was like, I love my dysfunctional family or something like that. Next question is last song that I listened to. I think I listened to First Love by Adele. Now I'm doing a little bit of concealer. I know I'm kind of doing this makeup routine really slow, and I'm sorry if I'm not kind of like explaining the products that I'm using, but I'm going to put the products like linked in the down, not linked in the down bar, but like in the down bar, so y'all can see everything that I'm using on my face. My skin is like not breaking out, but it's peeling, and I'm putting on makeup. So I'm not trying to put on too much, because like I said, I got to go to cheer practice later, and I'm not trying to go with like a full face of makeup. The next question is, what are your 3 turn-offs? So first, one of my turn-offs is stanky breath, obviously. Take care of your face. If your face is constantly oily, it's gonna turn me off. Like, I'm not gonna talk to you and your face oily, you don't take care of your body and stuff. Another turn off would be like childish people. I'm really more of a mature kind of person. So if you still got your head not in the right place, you can miss me with that. So next question on here is, how many tattoos and piercings do you have? I have 4 piercings, and that is 2 in my left ear and 2 in my right ear. I really do want to get a belly button pierce, like for my birthday. I think that's what I'm gonna go do. Tattoos, I have 0 tattoos, but I do want to get like my mama's name probably. I want to get like a chandelier done on my chest, like under my breast, because that's really cute. Number 12, how do you feel right now? Right now, I'm just like, the way that I feel is like, what is life? What is life at this moment? Next question is something that I really want. Something that I really want is a snow cone from this place called Tasty Ice DeSoto in DeSoto, Texas. The next question is the meaning behind my YouTube name. When I was in 6th grade, end of 6th grade year, coming up in the 7th grade, that was around the time when I started my YouTube channel. I ended up creating my channel, and like most of the channel names that I seen were something that have to do with like XOXO and makeup by this person. If we're being honest, everybody's name on YouTube is like, has to do something with makeup. That's like a beauty guru, you know. And so I wanted something that was like a little bit, you know, kind of individual, you know, something that wasn't too common. The day that I was creating my channel, I was like, how about some sparklygirlxoxo or something like that. I ended up changing my name about like 2 years ago to tamiaraeshun, because I wanted my channel to be kind of a little bit more mature. The 11th question is the reason why I started vlogging. Like I said, I was a curious girl. I was in like 6th, 7th grade. I think I was about to be in 7th grade, and I was like, let's do YouTube, you know. The next question I got is my favorite song. So my favorite song at the moment, let's see, probably Freestyle by Lil Baby. I have to go ahead and click on Lily Mascara. Today I'm not going to do any eyeliner because, like I said, I'm going to cheer practice later. So I'm not trying to like do no full face of makeup. So the next question is my favorite holiday. My favorite holiday is probably the 4th of July. And that's really weird. I don't know why, but I love the 4th of July. It's just something about dressing up in red, white, and blue and eating watermelon and popping fireworks just gets me really excited. So the next question is my favorite animal. So my favorite animal has to be the quokka, and the quokka is from Australia. It's a marsupial. It's time for my glorious highlight. So there's a few more questions left on this list. Where I work. Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all where I work. Your girl works at McDonald's. You know, I haven't been to work in like a week and a half. I haven't been to work. I'm not going to work this week because I'm not on the schedule. It's because I've been out of town. Okay, so I'm going to do like 2 more questions because I'm almost done with my makeup. All I got to do is my lipstick and I'll be done. My future goals. It's really hard to talk when I'm doing my lipstick, but I'm going to try my hardest. My future goals in life, I've really been questioning it lately, but in life, I want to go to college to study biology. So yeah, and I want to become like a surgeon with a biology degree. So guys, this is the completed look. This is my everyday makeup routine for summertime 2018. Anyways guys, that is all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please remember to give it a huge thumbs up, and also go over to Jenyah's channel and check out her video, and make sure you go and subscribe, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel and my vlog channel, which are both linked down and then down right below as well. Anyways, I love y'all so freaking much. I missed y'all so freaking much, and I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Bye bye, and once again, thanks so much for watching.